Hello everyone, welcome to Vidhyan classes. So in this video, we are going to solve reasoning and general intelligence section of Karnataka MBA Pgcet 2021 question paper. And if you have not watched our previous videos, kindly go through the playlist and do watch the videos of other subjects taken by our other faculty members. And remember, so these questions are not only helpful for your MBA entrance, but also for the major competitive exams like bank, SSC, railways, and many other central and state government exams. So do watch the video completely, and now let's get started. So here comes your first question. The next number in the series is, so you have to find which is the next number coming in the series. So the numbers given here are what? 121, 117, 108, 92, 67 and question mark, right? So ivaga what you have to do, you observe the numbers. So numbers nodi, numbers are very close to each other, right? In this case, the numbers are looking very close to each other. So yavaga numbers are looking very close, then what you have to do, immediately take the differences between the numbers. So here, if you take the difference between 121 and 117 is 4. Illi difference ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 108 and 117, it is 9. 92 ಮತ್ತೆ 108, the difference here is 16. 67 to 92, the difference here is 25. So now you can guess the pattern, right? By looking at this numbers, that is 4, 9, 16, 25, these are what? This is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ next difference ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? 6 square. 6 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 36. So 67 minus 36 you have to do. 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is going to be 31. As simple as that. Let's move on to the next one. The number which occurs at the bottom face in the three positions of the same dice is. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 dice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ and they told you that these are same dice. Okay, all the 3 dice are same dice. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು which number comes at the bottom face. So top face ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ number ಇದೆ? 4. So ಎಲ್ಲ dice ಇನ top face ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is 4. So ಇವಾಗ just imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ dice. So ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ top face ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, then surrounding ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are 4 faces, correct? So top face ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4, then surrounding there are 4 faces, 4 face ಇರುತ್ತೆ, then bottom ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 face, so total 6 faces ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? So ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು top face ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ. surrounding faces ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 numbers ಬರಬೇಕು, right? Because it is surrounded by 4 faces, so 4 numbers you should get. So just see here which are the numbers. You can see there is 2, there is 3, there is 1 here, there is 6 here, correct? 2, 3, 1, 6, these are the numbers. So that means 2, 3, 1, 6 are the numbers surrounding the face. Okay, surroundings ಅಲ್ಲಿ these 4 numbers ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. So top ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ which is the remaining number? The remaining number is 5, which means bottom face ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು? 5. So in this dice the bottom face number is 5. Here also it is 5. Here also it is 5. So the answer is 555. 555. Okay. Next one. The letter group comes in the place of question mark is smart. So smart is related to Q, J, W, M, N. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ similarly dull is related to what? Now see, so compare, there's 2 things you compare. See, Q, first letter is Q, first letter is S. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ what you can say? Q R S ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ +2 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Q R S +2. Then J K L M, that is K L M, which means +3, correct? Then W to A, W to A, X Y Z A, which means +4, +4. Then M to R, M to R, N O P Q R, which means plus 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, similarly N to T plus 6. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ here you should get 4 letters. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first plus 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು, then ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 3 ಆಗಬೇಕು, here it should be plus 4, then from here it should be plus 5. So which word will come in this places? Okay, out of this given options, which letter group will come in these places? Now see, so ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಬಿ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ, ರೈಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಎ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಅದರ್ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. If you have to save your time, you can eliminate all the 3 options directly and mark A as your answer. If you want to verify, you can still go with that. Illi second letter yavude? R. So if you keep R here, R in the plus 3 madidre U barata, check madi. R, S, T and U. So that is U is coming as third letter after R. Adadmele H. H in the plus 4 madidre L barata? I, J, K, L. Yes, obviously. Then G. G in the plus 5 madidre L barbeku. H, I, J, K, L. So that means B, R, H, G is the right answer. Got it? Then what would come in the place of question mark in the following series? Now try to think. See, first numbers kuda ide, letters kuda ide. Look at the numbers 3, 6, 11, 18, question mark. Numbers are very close to each other. Go through the differences. Difference madidre illi 3, illi 5, illi 7. So 3, 5, 7 are what? Odd numbers. So these are odd numbers. So therefore next difference will be what? You can predict it as 9. So based upon the odd number series, you can predict the next difference will be 9. So 18 plus 9 estagutte? 27. So 27 means option A and option B cancel aitu, C matte D ulkondide. So you have to check the letters now. F, G, I, L, question mark. So F in the G, plus 1, G in the I, plus 2, I in the L, J, K, L, plus 3, L in the plus 4, M, N, O, P. So that means if you do plus 4 from L, the letter you will come in the end is P. So the answer enagutte ivaga 27P is the right answer. Okay. Next one. Find the odd letter group in the following. Odd letter group in the following. So yavyavide? B, D, H, N, A, D, I, P, C, E, I, O, D, F, J, P. Okay, think ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಆಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನಡುವೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಈಗ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಡಿ, ಸಿ ಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡಿ ಇಂದ ಎಚ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಜಿ ಎಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಚ್ ಇಂದ ಎನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಜೆ ಕೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಂ ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6. ಓಕೆ. ಎ ಟು ಡಿ plus 3, D to I, E, F, G, H, I plus 5, I to P, J, K, L, M, N, O, P plus 7. So plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 andre odd number series, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ even number series. Let us check here. C, D, E plus 2, E, F, G, H, I plus 4, J, K, L, M, N, O plus 6. Then D, E, F plus 2, G, H, I, J plus 4, K, L, M, N, O, P plus 6. So that means these 3 letter groups are in pattern. So the odd one out here is A, D, I, P. So A, D, I, P is the answer. Okay, so this is the odd letter group. Next one. When the following words are arranged in dictionary order, the third position word is. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ದ 4 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದವಾಗ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸಿನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಐ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಇಂದ ಏನೂ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ನೋಡಿದವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? innovation. Innovation becomes the first word. Now you have to look among invent, invention ಮತ್ತೆ invest. ಈಗ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ವಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎನ್. ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಎನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೀಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು? ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇವಾಗ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ವರ್ಡ್ is in the third position now? The third position word is invention. Invention is the right answer. From the digits of 0, 1, 2, 3, 3-digit numbers are formed. Among that, the number of even numbers are. See, they have given you 4 digits, 4 digits ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಈ 4 digits ಇಂದ you have to form a 3-digit number and that too even numbers. Okay, so 3-digit number form ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and that has to be an even number. So even number ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ what will be the conditions? So conditions ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? The condition will be the last digit will be either ending with 0 ಅಥವಾ the last digit will be 2, right? So if the last digit is ending with 0, it will become an even number, or if the last digit is ending with 2 in the given case, that is in the given 4 digits. So if it is ending with 2, then the number will become even numbers. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ವೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ us take this first condition, that is 0 here, correct? ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ? 0 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ. ಸೊ 0 1 2 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ನೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can either place 1 or you can place 2 or you can place 3, right? So you have 3 options, right? Either you can place 1, 2 or 3. That means there are 3 ways for you, correct? Now so in this 3 ways any one number will be placed here. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು one number ಇಲ್ಲಿ place ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So when one number is placed, how many digits you are left with now? You will be left with 2 digits. ಸೊ 2 digits ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಇನ್ 2 ways you can place those 2 digits, right? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 digits ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 digits ಅನ್ನ 3 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ನೌ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 digits. ಸೊ ಆ 2 digits ಅನ್ನ 2 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ therefore 3 ways into 2 ways, total 6 ways. That means you will get 6 even numbers that are ending with 0. So which means you will get 6 even numbers that are ending with 0. Like we can see those numbers. ಯಾವ numbers ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. See, last digit 0 ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಾನು 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if I place 1, so second place ಅಲ್ಲಿ I can place 2, 120. Or I can place 3, 130 is also even number, right? Now after 1, now 1 is over. Now suppose if I put 2 in the first place, then I can place 1 here, 210 or 230, correct? Or suppose if I take now 3 in the first place, then 310 and 320. So therefore, so these are the 6 even numbers which you can form by placing 0 in the last position. Okay, so these are the 6 even numbers. Now when you are placing 2 in the last position, so 2 on the last position ಅಲ್ಲಿ place ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, now which are the remaining digits? See 0 1 2 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 you have placed. Now you are left with 0 1 3, correct? 0 1 3. So 0 1 3 ಅನ್ನ ಈಗ first place ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so how many digits you can place here in the first place? In the first place you can place only 2 digits in 2 ways. You cannot place 0 put ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Why? If you put 0, it will not become a 3 digit number, it will become a 2 digit number. Like 0 1 2 anta andre it is 12, it is a 2 digit number, it won't become 3 digit. So therefore 0 won't come in the first place. Therefore either 1 or 3 andre you have 2 ways. 1 or 3 you have 2 ways. So 1 or 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಸಪೋಸ್ 1 ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ remaining digits are what? Remaining digits are 3 and 0. Now you can place 0 ivaga, middle alli you can place 0. Okay, so now there is no issue. So 3 or 0 barbodu. That means again you get 2 ways. So 2 ways into 2 ways, in total 4 ways. So there are 4 even numbers you will get which are ending with 2. That is, let us see which are those numbers also. So it should end with 2, right? So 0 you cannot place in the first position. Now if I put 1 here, 102 or 132, or in the first place if I place 3, 302 or 312. So these are the 4 even numbers ending with 2. So therefore in total how many even numbers you will get? 6 plus 4. In total there are 10 even numbers that can be formed by using the 4 digits 0 1 2 3. Okay, got it? If ABC is coded as 6, EFG is coded as 210, then JIM can be coded as. So think ಮಾಡಿ, ABC 6 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you should know the place value. First think about the place value. A place value 1, B place value 2, C place value 3. If you multiply these 3 digits, 1 2 is a 2, 2 3 is a 6, correct? E place value 5, F place value 6, G place value 7. What if you multiply, how much you will get? 5 6 is a 30, 37 is a 210. So that means illinagide multiplication of the place values. So JIM. So J estagutte? J place value is 9, I place value is 10, M place value is 13. You should know the place values of each alphabet. So 9 into 10 is 90, 90 into 13, 90 into 13, 13 9s are 117 and 1 0. So that means 1170 is the answer. 1170 is the answer. Okay, that's good, fantastic. Let's move on to the next question now. Interesting. The number of squares in the given figure is, ಎಷ್ಟು squares ಇದೆ ಅಂತ count ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Just do it manually. Okay, but be careful, don't miss any squares now. Now here, so this is one square complete, this is complete, another square 1 2 3. So this is one complete square 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 squares. Howda? Again in this square there are again 4 squares, 10 11 12 13. Here 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25, correct? 25 ಆಯ್ತು. Then 25 ಆಯ್ತು. Then which squares did you miss again? 25 options ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, but you know that there are some other squares also, right? Which are those after 25? So this is one big square. By joining 2 squares you can get one big square here, correct? So this becomes 26. Similarly this becomes 27. and ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ this is 28, so this becomes 29, and finally the big square which becomes 30. So therefore total number of squares in the given figure is how much? 30. Next one, in the given number series one of the numbers is not belonging to that series. Which is the number you have to find? So ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ 15, 34, 71, 134, 223, 350. Think which number is not belonging to the series. Think in all the possible ways. So first ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 16, 16 minus 1, then 34 is close to 6 square, 36 minus 2, 71 is close to, it is between 8 square and 9 square, 64 ಮತ್ತೆ 81. So that means it is not making much difference. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ if you look into the squares. And if I consider the cubes here, cubes ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 cube is 8 and 15 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is 7 gap. 3 cube is 27, 27 ಮತ್ತೆ 34 ನಡುವೆ there is 7 gap. Okay, so you can think like that. So here it is 2 cube plus 7. So this is 3 cube plus 7. This is 4 cube. 4 cube is 64 plus 7 is 71. 5 cube is 25. 125. 125 plus 7. 125 plus 7 is 132. But it is 134. But verify ಮಾಡಿ 223. 6's cube is 216. 216 plus 7 is 223. Correct. 7 cube is 343. 343 plus 7 is 350. Correct. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ so all these numbers are correct. Therefore the odd number in the series is 134. Okay, so this does not belong to the group. The actual number should be 132. Clear? Next one. 1 year ago a man was 8 times as old as his daughter. Now his age is equal to the square of his daughter's age. So the present age of the daughter is what? See, in this question they are asking you the present age of the daughter ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ? Now what is the condition? 1 year ago man was 8 times as old as his daughter. So now his age is equal to the square of his daughter's age. So in this question there are two methods for you to solve. One is by taking x method. Okay, that is you assuming the age of daughter or father as x, ಅದರಿಂದ start ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, or by going with the option method. Okay, so you can either go with the option method or like normal general simplification method. Option method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Option method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you have to go in the reverse way. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಈಗ, you have to think that ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಾಟರ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 5. And now you have to verify the question whether this 5 holds good for this question. So now if I take the present age of daughter as 5, now go through the question. 1 year ago andre 1 year ago daughter's age ಏನಾಯ್ತು 4 years. So ಇವಾಗ 1 year ago a man was 8 times as old as his daughter. ಅಂದ್ರೆ daughter's age 4 years ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ father's age ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ 8 times of 4, that means 32 years. 1 year ago. ನಂತರ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 year 33 years ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ನೌ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆದರ್ ದಿಸ್ 33 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? ನೋ, 33 is not equals to 5 square, right? So that means your assumed option is wrong. Your assumed option is wrong. So 5 is the wrong option. Then move on to the next one. Let us take 6. Let the present age of the daughter be 6 years. 1 year ago her age will be 5. So at that time father is 8 times as old as his daughter, that means father's age will become 40 years. After 1 year, father's age will become 41. Whether this 41 is equals to the square of his daughter's age, that is 6 square, no, 41 is not equals to 6 square, which means 6 is also wrong. Okay, 6 is also wrong. Then let us take it as 7. Let the present age of daughter be 7. 1 year ago, her age will be 6. Father's age will be 8 times of 6, that is 48. Then after 1 year, father's age will become 49. Whether this 49 is equals to 7 square? Yes, 49 is equals to 7 square. Therefore, your answer will be 7. So the answer here is 7. So this is one method, that is by going with the options. Otherwise, you can go with the general X method also. So X method alli hogbekandre, now let us take, okay, let's take the age of the daughter 1 year ago. Okay, let us take that age of the daughter 1 year ago be x years ittu anta ankoಣ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ father's age ಏನಾಯ್ತು 8 times, that is 8x. After 1 year ಅಂದ್ರೆ present age of father ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8x plus 1, present age of daughter ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x plus 1. Okay, x ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು 1 year ago ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. 1 year ago let the age of daughter x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಟರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು x plus 1. ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, now his age is equal to the square of his daughter's age. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8x plus 1 ಏನಿದೆ, this is equals to square of x plus 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now his age is equals to the square of his daughter's age. Now just open the bracket and see, verify this. 8x plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 the whole square. Solve this. A plus b the whole square formula ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, put ಮಾಡಿ, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now take it on one side, x square plus 2x minus 8x will become minus 6x, plus 1 minus 1 will become 0. X square minus 6x equals to 0. If I take x as common, x into x minus 6 equals to 0. Andre either x is equals to 0 or x minus 6 equals to 0. That means x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 6. X cannot be equals to 0 in according to our question. Yakandre in our question or in our assumption, x is the age of the daughter 1 year ago. So you cannot keep it as 0. Illi 0 ittandre father's age cannot be 8x. ಹೌದಾ, father's age ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ if I put x equals to 0. So you cannot place x equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 6. So that means 1 year ago the daughter's age was 6 years. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ present age of daughter ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x plus 1, that is 7 years, which is correct. Okay, so 7 years is the answer, right? Next one. John is standing at the southeast corner of a rectangular field. So there is a rectangular field. Southeast corner andre yavadu? See, this is north, south, east, west. This is south and this is east. So southeast andre ee corner alli idane anta artha. So in this corner, so John is standing at the southeast corner of the rectangular field. That means here. He starts crossing the fields diagonally. So he starts crossing the fields diagonally. After walking half the distance, he turns right. He turns right andre in artha? That means he has to turn 90 degree. So just imagine yourself turning towards the right anta andre, see you are facing in this direction, turning towards the right andre you will be facing this direction. That means the angle you turned will be 90 degree. Correct. So angle turning should be 90 degree. So in this case, so now this is 90 degree. So then he starts moving in this direction. Correct. Then after walking half the distance, he turns right, walks some distance and turns left. Again he turns left. That means again he should turn 90 degree. So that means 90 degree means in this way. So again he turns in this direction. Okay. So and turns left. So in which direction is John facing now? So he's moving in this direction. That means this direction is lying between north and west. So this direction is lying between north and west. So the answer here is northwest. So which direction is John facing now? John is facing northwest direction. Next. So if plus means multiplied by, minus means divided by, and multiply means plus and divided means minus, then solve the given equation. So just simply solve this. So what you will get, plus means multiply, that means 18 into 10, multiply means plus 20, minus means divided by, so divided by 8, divided by means minus 6 equals to x. So first bracket alli solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and bracket alli first multiplication solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 18 tens are 180, 180 plus 20, that is 200. So 200 divided by 8 minus 6. Now first division ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ subtraction. 200 by 8, that is 25, 25 minus 6. So 25 minus 6 is how much? 19. So option D, 19 is the right answer. Next one. A cube is painted blue on all faces and is then cut into 125 cubes of equal size. How many cubes are not painted on any face? See, now in this diagram you can see there is a cube. Now this cube is cut into 125 cubes of equal size. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 125 cubes ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪುನಃ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ it will become a cube again. ಆ 125 small cubes ಅನ್ನ ಪುನಃ ನೀವು ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ you will get a big cube, correct? So that means what? So if you join all those 125 cubes, you will get the volume of the cube. ಹೌದಾ? You will get the volume of the cube. What is the volume of the cube formula? Volume of the cube is nothing but a cube, right? If you join this 125 cubes, you will get the volume of the cube. That means this 125 is equals to a cube. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ a value ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Cube root of 125, which is equals to 5. Okay, that means like we can imagine or we can suppose that the length of the each cube, length and breadth of each cube is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter ಇದೆ ಅಂತ we can assume. Okay, so leave that part. Now just imagine here. Okay, so there is a cube. Okay, you got each of length 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter anta ಅನ್ಕೋಣ, so that you will get 125 cubes. Okay, now condition ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? A cube is painted blue on all faces. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದವಾಗ 125 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಎನಿ ಫೇಸ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ನೀವು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೊರಗಡೆಗಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಒಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ which is not painted by any color, that is ಈ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಇಂದ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ, ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the rear side, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ 8. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಬ್ಲೂ ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಕಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and rare side total 8 cubes ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, which is colored one. Okay, 8 cubes colored one. Okay, these are 8 cubes are what? Corner cubes. Idu corner cubes I can say. Let us see the edges now. Corner bittu ivaga edges nodona. So ivaga this is one edge. Okay, so idanna remove madidre illond cube sigutte, illi innond cube sigutte 2. Here I'll get another cube 3. Correct? Adhe riti this is one edge 4 5 6. Here also one edge 7 8 9 10 11 12. Correct? So 12. Adhe riti here also this is also edge 13 14 15 16 17 18. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೈರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕೂಡ 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೂಡ 3. ಸಿ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 + 3 + 3 + 3 3 6 9 12. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 6 9 and 12 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 12 ಆಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 3. ಸೊ 3 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 9 and the other side 3 which is 12. 3 6 9 12. Okay, so these are also colored. Then so ivella edges aitu, these are all edges. So you have to imagine these, all these parts you have to imagine properly. So total edges aitu, corners aitu. Then center faces. So this part we have not calculated. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ here 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 9 again another side 9 9 4 sides ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9 9 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 9 4s are 36. Also ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 9 ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 9 is colored. So 9 + 9 18. So that means these many cubes are colored ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು 12 ಏನಿದೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 36 ಮತ್ತೆ 18 ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 12 + 8 20 20 + 12 32 32 + 12 44 44 + 36 80 80 + 18 98. ಸೊ 125 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 98 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ uncolored cubes ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 125 - 98, that is 27. So option C 27 is the right answer. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ formula methods ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. In the class we will explain you the formulas everything, but you should know generally ಕೂಡ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಾನು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, even if you doesn't know the formula, still you should be able to solve the questions by thinking. Next one, if Q means add to, J means multiplied by, T means subtract from, and K means divided by, then 30 K anta andre K means divided by. So 30 divided by 2, Q means add, plus 3, J means multiplied by 6, T means subtract from 5, equals to what? Okay, first division ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. 30 divided by 2 is 15 plus 3 into 6 18 minus 5. So 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 plus 18 is 28. So the answer you will get here is 28. Clear? Next one, the number comes in the place of question mark is, that means in this box which number is coming. Okay, so here 15 33 27 36 and here 12 3 22 11 18 9. Okay, fine. So if you see here 12 plus 3 is 15, 22 plus 11 33, 18 plus 9 27 agide 32 plus which number will give you 36? 32 plus 4. So the answer here is 4. Next one, if A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J represent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then AB plus CD minus GH is equals to what? A is 0, B is 1, plus C is how much? 2, and D is how much? D is 3 minus GH. So G ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and H andre 7. So this is like 0 1 plus 2 3 minus 6 7 equals to what? So ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 0 A B ಅಲ್ವಾ, A0 B1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 into 1 0, then plus 2 into 3 6. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0 1 0, 2 3 6, like C into D ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ it will become 0 plus 6 minus 67, which is 6 minus 67, that is minus 61 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ GH ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 into 7, 6 into 7 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 7s 42. ಸೊ 6 minus 42 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 35. Okay, sometimes ನಾವು ಈ ತರನು we'll end up with this answer also. Okay, there is a possibility. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, A B ಅಂದ್ರೆ A into B ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ A into B ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 into 1 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. C into D ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 3, then G into H ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 into 7. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು? 0 plus 6 minus 42, which is minus 36. Okay, minus 36 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 36 ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. A is 0, B is 1, that means it is 1. 0 1 is 1. C D is 2 and 3, which is 23. ಈ ತರನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. And 6 into 7 67. So 1 plus 23 will become 24. 24 minus 67. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. Minus 43. So which is in the option? Right. So therefore minus 43 is the right answer. Okay. So in this case you have to assume it as a single number. Okay. A, B ಅನ್ನೋದು single number ಅಂತ ನಾವು assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So therefore minus 43 will be the correct answer. Next one. The diagram given below shows the number of students who got distinction in 3 subjects out of 500 students. So the Venn diagram ಏನಿದೆ, it shows students who got distinctions. Then what is the percentage of students who got distinction in 2 subjects? Who got distinction in 2 subjects? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಈ ತರ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹು ಗಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 2 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 2 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 2 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, 4 ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಡೆದವರು? ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 12, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ 13, ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ 15, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿಂದಿ 11. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 13 plus 12 25, 25 plus 15 40, 40 plus 11 51. So 51 is what percentage? What is the percentage of students who got distinction? 51 students got distinction. So 51 is what percentage of 500 anta calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that means it will become 10.5 percentage, which is not given in our options. So 10.5 percentage is actual answer according to the question. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದವಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದವಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12 plus 13 25, 25 plus 15 40. So now this 40 is what percentage of 500? 40 by 500 into 100, which is 5 8s of 40. That means 8% will be the answer. Okay, so according to the examiner, so you have to solve it like this. So here you will get 8% as the right answer. But in any other competitive exams, if you come across the word like this, then you have to take all the 3 subjects. Suppose if they have not mentioned only a only word mention ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, you have to consider the 3 subjects also. English, Kannada, Hindi ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That thing also you have to consider. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, next one. In what time at simple interest will a sum of money triples itself in 10%? Sum of money triples itself in 10%. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಪಟ್ಟು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು? 300 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸಿ 100 ಇದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, 300 ಇದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 300 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 200 ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 200. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ 200 ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 200, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ 100 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100 ಅಂದರೆ 200%. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು? 200% ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು? 300 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 300 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 100ಗೆ? 200 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 200 ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಎಂದು? 200% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 10%. ಸೊ 10% ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 20% ಆಗಬೇಕು, 200% ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 10% ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 year. Okay, always rate of interest is given for 1 year. So 10% for 1 year ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 200% ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 10% ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 200% ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ 20 years is required. 200 by 10 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, you will get 20. So 20 years. After 20 years, the sum will become triple. Your sum will become triple. Okay, so this is a shortcut to solve this question. Okay, next one. If the radius of a circle is increased by 20%, then percentage increase in the area is how much? See, 20% increase, 20% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? It is 1/5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ let's suppose initial radius 5x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ 1x ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ the new radius is 6x ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Initial radius 5x, now the new radius will be 6x. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ what is the percentage increase in area? Area formula ಏನು? pi r square. That is pi into ಇಲ್ಲಿ first radius ಏನಿದೆ? 5x square. Then new area ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? again pi r square, pi into 6x square, pi into 6x square, 6x the whole square. So pi and pi will get cancelled. 5x the whole square andre 25x square ratio 6x the whole square andre 36x square. Again x square get cancelled. Final ratio you will get 25:36. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು? 11 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. So this 11 unit is what percentage of 25? So 11 by 25 into 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are 11 fours are 44. So the answer here is 44%. The percentage increase in the area here is 44%. Okay. Next one. How many days will there be from 26th January 2020 to 15th May 2020? Both the days included. Andre 26th January kuda include agide. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 15th May ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 26th January, ಸೊ ಜಾನ್ವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 31 ಡೇಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 31 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ 26 ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಡೇಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ. ಸೊ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಯರ್. 2020 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 digits ಆರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 4, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್. So 2020 is a leap year. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ how many days you will get? So that is 29 days. Correct? So 29 days ಬಂತು. So that is 29. Then March. So March ಅಲ್ಲಿ again 31 days. April ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30 days. April 30 days. So May till 15th May, so 15 days. Correct? So now add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 29 plus 6 is 35, 35 plus 31 that is 66, 66 plus 30 is 96, 96 plus 15 that is 111. 111 days. Total number of days is 111. Next one. Arun said, this girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. Who is Arun to the girl? So Arun in ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, okay, Arun is saying that this girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. ಅವನ mother, okay, ಅರುಣಿನ mother ಇನ grandson ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ ಅರುಣ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸನ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಅರುಣ್, ಸೊ ಅರುಣಿನ ಸನ್, he will become grandson for mother, ಹೌದಾ? grandson of my mother, mother ಇನ grandson ಅಂದ್ರೆ mother ಇನ ಸನ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, right? and ಅರುಣಿನ ಸನ್ ಇವನು, ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. okay, got it? So let us denote mother as yum. okay, let Arun's mother, we denote it as yum. okay, then this girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ ಮದರ್ ಇನ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರುಣಿನ ಸನ್ನೇ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರುಣ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಟು ದ ಗರ್ಲ್? ಅರುಣ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಅರುಣಿನ ಮಗನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಸನ್ಸ್ ವೈಫ್. ಸೊ therefore Arun will become what? Arun will become father-in-law to the girl. Arun will become father-in-law to the girl, right? Next one. In a class tournament, each of 8 players will play exactly once. How many matches will be played during the tournament? So one simple formula ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, like how many matches is played in during the tournament when each of the 8 players will play exactly once. Only one games if they are playing. So how many matches will be played? So there are 8 players alva. So the simple formula you can put here is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. That is 8 into 8 minus 1 is 7 divided by 2. 8 7s are 56. 56 by 2 which is 28. So directly you can put the formula and do. Otherwise, if you don't remember the formula, you can just think ಮಾಡಿ. There are 8 players ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, right? So let us assume A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the 8 players ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Each of the 8 players will play exactly once. ಅಂದ್ರೆ let's suppose now A will play with B, okay? A will play with C, A will play with D, A will play with E, F, G, H. So in total, with how many players he is playing against? So he is playing against 7 players, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So against the 7 players A is playing, correct? So ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? 7 ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ A ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ now let us take B. So A is finished. A has played with all the players. Now let us take B. So B will play against C, against D, against E, F, G, H. Andre total 6 games ಆಯ್ತು. So 7 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So plus 6 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ now B has played with all of them. Now let us take C. C will play with D, E, F, G, H, which means against 5 players. Similarly, now C has played with all of them. Let us take D. D will play with E, F, G, H, that is plus 4. Correct? So now D has finished. Let us take E. E if I place F, G, H, 3 games. So E kuda ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. Now let us take F. So F means G and H plus 2. So F also finished all the games. Now finally left is G. G will play against H. That means 1. So that means you have to do the sum of all these numbers. So that means this many games happened. 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 25, 27, 28. So the answer is 28. Okay. Next one. 6 persons A, K, B, M, N and Q are sitting in a row. So there are 6 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are sitting in a row. N and Q are in the center. N and Q are in the center. Andre N or Q will come here. N or Q will come here. Andre if N comes here, Q comes here. If Q comes here, N comes here anta artha. So that means they are sitting at the center now. Now A and K are at the ends. A and K are at the ends. Andre if A comes here, K will come here. Or if K comes here, A will come here. A and K are at the ends. B is sitting on the left of A. B is sitting on the left of A. So, ivaga, suppose if I place A here, first place alli A place madidre, can you put B to the left of A? No, you don't have any places, right? Left of A alli nimge bere place illa. So that means A cannot come here. So K comes here, A comes here. Ivaga, B is sitting on the left of A. B is sitting on the left of A. Andre illi left alli, immediate left alli B idane. Hagidre who is sitting to the right of K? So yaryar idare A, K, B, M, N, Q. So illi M place madilla. So therefore M will come here. Then who is sitting to the right of K now? So to the right of K, M is sitting. M is sitting to the right of K. So illu kuda avaru actually clear agi mention ಮಾಡಬೇಕು that B is sitting on the immediate left of A anta mention ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, because left of A andre if I place B here, this is also left of A only, right? So hage put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you cannot get the answer. ನಮಗೆ answer ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. So therefore you have to consider here it as B is sitting immediate left of A anta, then you will get the place for M. So M comes to the immediate right of K. Next one. So the last final question. The number which lies in place of question mark is. So here 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. So 5 5s are 25. 1 5s are 5. Therefore 5 into 5 is 25. 3 4s are 12. Therefore 4 into 12 is 48. 3 4s are 12. Therefore 4 12s are 28. Similarly 5 3s are 15. Therefore 3 15s are 45. Or 15 3s are 45. Got it? 1 5s are 5. Therefore 5 into 5 is 25. Similarly 3 4s are 12. Therefore 4 into 12 is 48. Hence 5 3s are 15. Therefore 3 into 15 is 45. So 45 is the right answer. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in the next sessions. Till then, stay focused and keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.